Okay, you guys ready to go up? Yeah. Welcome to Kings and Minions Eiffel Tower, guys. I'll be giving you guys a couple fun facts and then diving straight into the walls. Okay, everyone ready? This tower is 331.5 feet tall, making it one third of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France, which is over 1,000 feet tall and uses 2 elevators to go all the way up. But you guys don't have to worry about that because the platform you'll be on is 275 feet up in the air. So, if you want to say hi to Top Tower for me, you're more than welcome to do so because they will see you. And if you're gonna eyes going down, you'll be fine. But now the walls, there'll be no running, jumping, stomping, horseplaying. Please don't yell or scream unnecessarily. No eating, drinking, smoke, no vaping. It's illegal to drop, spit, or throw anything off the tower or get yourself apart. And also, for some people, you may not parachute or jump off the building. Thank you.
It's illegal to drop your phone, so don't drop it, you're gonna get arrested.